Hi everybody, in today's video we look at some of the benefits of gardening at home. Hi everyone, your creative educator here, and welcome to Sparkstoflameseducation, where you get great science, math, and reading content and really fun and creative ways of inspiring learning. Remember to subscribe, hit the notification so that you can see our new videos on Mondays. Like and share, and yes, subscribe now! So people, I'm about to make fries, right? But I forgot. Can you tell which potato came from our garden? Look at, there you go. Look at the color. Look at the color. Look at the difference. So I'm gonna put these in the oven. Now we have some tomatoes growing nicely, and I look forward to comparing those as well to the store-bought. But what do you think the comparison will be? Here we have another one, which is a pumpkin that we grew, and this one, it has a nice buttery taste. It has like a subtle buttery taste, nice flavor, not too overpowering or just not too on any side, which I find with organic stuff, like with organic fruits, you can actually taste the flavor. It don't taste like water and blocka blocka. It tastes like flavorful. It's like a condensed flavor. So homegrown compared to non-organic store-bought, I can definitely tell the difference. What about you? Let us know. Thank you so much. Please subscribe, and we'll have another video for you Monday. Take care. Peace out.